Good day. In this question, we will be solving for the energy change of the nitrogen gas. So we have energy is equals to mass times the specific heat capacity times delta T, where delta T is equals to T final minus T initial. So specific heat capacity of nitrogen gas is equals to 1.039 joules per gram degree Celsius. So therefore, the heat here